Unitree did it again. They released this Unitree R1. If you don't know Unitree, they are this Chinese company that makes all kinds of robots, like this quadrupedal and bipedal, humanoids. They became famous from this clip where their G1 robots fight in a ring. They have this ability to stand up and do all kinds of fight and even some Tai Chi. But this is on another level. So this one is the Unitree R1, pretty cheap for a humanoid robot. The movements are extremely realistic and very acrobatic for a robot. Look at this. Look how it moves. It's much better than the other one, the G1 version. It definitely looks much better as well. So what do you think of it? Will China dominate the humanoid robots, or will America do something to fight back?